Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your Android device and scroll to Network and Internet. Tap Mobile Network to continue. Tap Advanced, then tap Access Point Names to view saved APNs on the device. This method applies to Android 9, 10, 11, and newer releases. If you cannot find the option, use the Settings search field and type Access Point Names. Make sure you have your carrier details saved elsewhere before deleting any APN entries. From the list of APNs, tap the specific APN you want to remove. That opens the APN detail screen with all configuration fields visible. Look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner to reveal additional actions like delete. If you see Edit instead of Delete, tap Edit and review the fields before proceeding. Confirm you selected the correct APN by checking name, APN, MCC, and MNC values shown on the screen. Choose Delete from the three-dot menu and confirm the deletion prompt when asked. The device removes that APN entry immediately and returns you to the APN list. Wait about 30 seconds to let the system apply changes, then reboot the phone to refresh the mobile radio. If you lose data connectivity, create a new APN with your carrier settings or tap Reset to Default to restore carrier-provided APNs. Test by toggling airplane mode on and off and checking mobile data connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.